I'm up on this Arizona plateau of dry rangeland, junipers, and cattle. And behind me is what's known as Dante's Descent, a sinkhole that's 275 feet deep, or 84 meters. And it's about the size of a house in diameter. And it just, out of the flat rangeland, it just drops away into the earth. Just this straight sinkhole. It's got a fence around it with reflectors so that they shine in the dark, presumably so that you don't drive into this sinkhole in the night. Because you could be just bumping along the range road and then poof, you could not even see it coming. It's pretty impressive, just out in the middle of nowhere. What geological processes cause this sinkhole to exist here? And are there other sinkholes in the area? Is it the deepest sinkhole, the largest sinkhole in Arizona? I don't know, but I'll have to find out.
No, it is not the deepest sinkhole in Arizona. That title belongs to one called the Devil's Kitchen, reaching a whopping 660 feet or 200 meters deep. And because the Devil's Kitchen has a cave at the bottom, the total depth reaches 840 feet or 260 meters deep. That one is located in Coconino National Forest near Sedona. One of the geological factors that contributes to sinkhole formation is rocks like limestone which dissolve in groundwater, creating caves and voids. As these caves collapse underground, sinkholes are formed at the surface. Another factor can be groundwater pumping or draining the water out of underground cisterns for agricultural use, and the unsupported surface collapsing. As I read more, I learned that there are 7 sinkholes around the Sedona area alone, and even more elsewhere in Arizona. Dante's Descent really does look like a portal to the underworld. I'm always stoked to learn more about geology, and thank you for joining me on this little excursion.